Hey guys, what's up? And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to light balance or exposure balance through the whole photo using Snapseed. So all we will do is just tuning this image and changing the highlights, shadows, blacks, whites, and the color temperature. So at first, you can see the automatic button. It's auto adjustment. Just click on it and it will auto adjust your photo, but this doesn't look that good. So what we will do, we will just color balance it. Okay, so before you edit any of your photo and add some extra effect or extra color correcting, just do this light balance before you get started. So I'm using Snapseed here, and in the tune image panel you will find these options: brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights, shadows, warmth. So brightness, you need to keep it in a low brightness, like this seems perfect because every photo needs a little bit of moody touch. So come to contrast, and this photo has less contrast. Look at her face. You can increase the contrast to make a dynamic look. Not that much. This looks okay. This is before, this is after. This is before, this is after. So a little bit moody change. So go to ambience. Remember, saturation goes to the color balance setting, and we are not color balancing it, we are just adjusting the light. So make the ambience a little bit higher and the shadows a little bit lower. Sorry, highlights a little bit lower, and put the shadows here. Now warmth. If this is an outdoor portrait, we will make the warmth go positive side, and if it's indoor, we will go to the left side, means negative warmth. So this is an outdoor portrait, so we will keep it in the warm yellow look, and you can see the difference. Okay, so last thing, go to curves. We will crack the highlights and shadows. Just a little bit up and a little bit up. Okay, it's the perfect. You can see. Now you can adjust any of your effect, whatever you do. This will look perfect because you have adjusted every setting, every light adjustment. So now everything will suit much better. So that's how you light balance in Snapseed. I will put another video on Lightroom mobile, so keep watching on my channel and keep subscribing.